Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in 2024. So Google Drive is a software that you use to upload your files online and for the ability to back them up and share them with other people. So to use Google Drive, you need a Google account. So this is free and you can just, make Google accounts if you run out of storage. So I have a Google account here. We're just gonna log in. Just gonna search Drive here, Google Drive, and sign in. There we go. So here is my Google Drive right here. Then to upload files, you just click on New. Then if you wanna click a whole new folder, we can just make this sample, and we're gonna make our folder here. So here's a folder similar to how a folder works in a computer or in a phone. We can put files and put it here. So after that, we can just do a random file upload. Let's say I wanna put like Bill Gates, Mahoraga, and this meme and Kirby. So let's just pick this four. Then we're just gonna upload them here, and our files are gonna be here. There we go. If we want to organize the files here, we can just put all of this in the sample folder. Then we can just find them here. So we can just find like picture of Bill Gates, Mahoraga, this meme, and Kirby. Then after that, we can just press on new again. We can also make some files. We can also put like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, or Google Forms. So we can make like a new document here and post it here. So let's type hello everybody. Then we're gonna name this document as sample one. There we go. As you can see here, we're just gonna refresh and it's gonna pop up as sample one. Then if you launch it again, that's our docs files right there. Then we can just put this here in our sample folder. Then you also have a ability to upload the whole folder. So let's say you want to upload like a backup of your videos and stuff like that. You can upload it here. So let's say I want to upload my No Man's Sky content. I'm just gonna press that and it's gonna upload all of it. So we're just gonna wait for it. It's gonna be really, really quick. Right there. See? There's my No Man's Sky stuff. So this is my No Man's Sky pictures that I took. There we go. Then after that, you if you wanna share if I wanna share my No Man's Sky stuff, I'll just press here. Then I will click on share. Then I will just click share here. It's important that you put restrictions so anyone with this link. So if I copy this and I went to another, let's say, account and I put it here, I can access the folder of No Man's Sky. So I can only access the folder itself but not the content, which is a bit weird. But if you want to specifically, share the content, you can just put it here, share, share this anyone with the link. We're gonna try and copy this again and do it here on another account. Wait, hold up. Nathan, Sophia, let's say Sophia. Then we're just gonna put it here. There we go. You can share files like that. Then after that, guys, you can also search for the drives right here. So we're gonna search for our sample one. As you can see here, we can search it here. So my best tip here is you name the files like really like you need to organize it so you can search it pretty easily. So we're gonna name this Mahoraga. We're just gonna rename this Mahoraga so we can find it if we need it later on. So Mahoraga or Mahoraga. There we go. We just so if we need it right there, we're just gonna search it Mahoraga. Wait, I think I misspelled it. I think we need to. But yeah, guys, just do that. Just try and rename it like that. Then you're gonna find the file. Then after that, use your one of the common challenges here, and you can avoid them. Is you only have 15 gigabytes of storage, as you see here, and sometimes there's like file syncing issues, and sometimes you have file deletion, like accidental. So be sure to make sure that that doesn't happen, and you can also download the Google Drive desktop app, or you can just access it here very easily. And you can also, create docs and stuff like I showed you earlier. And yeah, guys, that's my Google Drive video tutorial. If you like that, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. As always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.